For more than 3 years, Morris Bevily has been a suspect in the death of his 14-month-old daughter.
And today, charges against him are now dropped. In court, Claiborne County Circuit Court Judge Tamika Irving dismisses the capital murder charge against Bevily without prejudice. In a 3 Inner exclusive, Bevily shares with our Quentin Smith what the past few years have been like for him and his family, and he tells us what's next.
In 2019, Morris Bevily turned himself into investigators and was charged with capital murder in the death of his own daughter. He says it was a struggle knowing he was being accused of a crime he says he did not commit. But with his capital murder charge now dismissed, Bevily says he's ready to put this behind him and move forward.
It was tough to see things, to deal with things, deal with slander, but we made it through. And I'm fortunate and grateful for that.
Bevily is breathing a sigh of relief not long after finding out that he's no longer charged in the death of his 14-month-old daughter.
We tried to remain positive and confident, maintain our innocence.
More than a week ago, the district attorney's office filed a motion to dismiss the capital murder charge against Bevily. Then, on Monday, a judge accepted that motion.
They didn't have any evidence to prove guilt of Morris Bevily in this case.
This is just that moment at this particular time where he can say in his heart, I'm free from all this, I'm done with all this, and I'm moving forward from all of this.
The dismissal comes more than 3 weeks after Morris's wife, Takia, who was tried twice, was found not guilty of her capital murder charge in the case. It all dates back to 2017. That's when 14-month-old Jariah Smith died due to multiple blunt force injuries to her head. The Bevilys were the only people charged in this case. With he and his wife both cleared of their charges, Bevily says he can now begin to heal properly after losing his daughter.
And overall begin to grieve us losing a child. Myself, my wife, family and friends, we all lost somebody special in this throughout the situation, and haven't been able to do that as much. So I'm just thankful for the opportunity to move forward on with our lives.
Now, that capital murder charge was dismissed without prejudice, meaning the charges could be brought back if new evidence emerges. When it comes to what's next for Bevily, on Tuesday, his legal team is expected to file a petition for an expungement on his behalf. Reporting in Port Gibson, Quentin Smith, 3 on your side.